Hello everyone. This is Flyer from Witrigs digital channel. We created Witrigs in 2009 and have been focusing on the production and development of cell phone screens and cell phone parts. From now on, we will formally introduce Witrigs product production and new product technologies to you in the form of videos and live streaming. We hope to make more people believe in Witrigs. Thank you. Today we introduce the comparison of two screens applicable to Apple XSMEX. One is a TFT screen with a high market share, and another is Witrigs' newly released FHD screen. And today we show you the characteristics of these two screens. Through the screen is lit when the static display. You can see that the resolution of the two screens have this obvious difference. FHD screen in the working state has a clear resolution. Through the luminance detector, we can FHD screen detection data is 743 nit, while the brightness of TFT screen is 673 nit. Both screens can touch normally in operation, but what can be clearly seen is that the TFT screen in the process of dragging the icon. The finger and the icon is a certain distance, which is a delayed response, while the FHD screen demo, the finger and the icon is very close, proving that the FHD screen is more sensitive. The FHD screen is 2.01 million thick, closer to the original 1.99 million. This is the end of today's demonstration. Follow up more exciting video. Please pay attention to Witrigs digital channel. Thank you.